How to interpret the rate of change, or ROC. The ROC is a classic momentum indicator. Momentum traders usually use this indicator to predict short-term trend reversals. ROC compares the current price to the closing price N periods ago. By calculating the percentage change, ROC helps identify the strength of buying or selling pressure. The N value of ROC can be any number, such as 12, 25, or 30. The smaller the N value, the more responsive the ROC is to price changes. Therefore, short-term traders tend to favor a smaller N value. For example, if the N value is 12, we're observing the price movement between the current price and the price 12 trading days ago. Does ROC help make trading decisions? In technical analysis strategies, stock trends are analyzed based on ROC values, movements, and if a divergence occurs. Let's break this down. 1. ROC value. Positive values indicate rising prices, while negative values below zero indicate falling prices. A high ROC suggests the stock is probably overbought and is generally seen as a selling signal. On the contrary, a low ROC indicates the stock is likely oversold, which is usually seen as a buying signal. But since the range of each stock varies, a comparison with the stock's past volatility is necessary. 2. Movements. The further away the ROC line is from the zero line, the faster the price changes. If the range of movement becomes smaller, the upward trend could be weakening. When the ROC crosses above the zero line, the buying pressure is stronger, which could be a buying signal. On the contrary, when the ROC crosses below the zero line, the selling pressure is stronger, which could be a selling signal. 3. Divergence. In most cases, the ROC line resembles the price movement. If the ROC is moving lower, but the stock price is rising to a new high, a divergence occurs, indicating a possible trend reversal. If the ROC is moving higher, but the stock price is falling to a new low, a price rebound may be possible. But remember, a divergence doesn't necessarily mean a trend reversal. Therefore, it shouldn't be seen as a trading signal by itself.